First, so let's set up a small network, a very small network consisting of one router, one switch, and one PC. Next, once we have set up all the three things, we will connect them through copper straight through cables, and then we are done with the network. Now let's set up the router. Okay, so first things first, we go into the router, we go to the CLI, then we enable the router. After we enable the router, then we configure the terminal. Okay, after we configure the terminal, we set the host name. After you set the host name, you should immediately see your router name change into your host name. Then we type in no IP domain lookup to stop it from getting into any DNS server. After that, then we set the secret class, and then we press enter, and then we press banner MOTD, which will give us a message. This message will be shown to the user of the router. So in this case, we are going to set it as this router is for personal use, and then we finish it with a symbol. Once we are done with that, then we go into setting the password. So we start with the console line first, so line console 0, and then we set the password to Cisco. This is just for example, so we set the password to Cisco. After that, we set the login, then we exit, then we do the exact same steps, but we do it for the VTY line. So you do the same thing, VTY04, and then we put the password Cisco, then we set the login and we press exit. Then we set the interface to fast ethernet 0/0, and then we'll be given an exception where it has if. So we put in our IP address, which is 192.168.1.1 24, which is subnet 255.255.255.0, and then we hit enter. Next, we end the session, and then we copy running config, which is the startup config. So this is to keep it safe. It's like keeping your configuration safe in a volatile memory. And now we end, and then you can see that it shows that the line is up now, and that's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, CHERAN. My name is Muhammad Anas. I'm going to check the router that CHERAN do just now. First, enter the password. So to check the terminal, show terminal. Okay, this is the terminal. Next, I'm going to check the IP route. Show IP route. This, so the IP interface brief. Okay, no problem. Next, check the interface. Show interface. This is the interface. Lastly, show clock. Okay, that's all for the router. Okay, next will be the PC. First, we go to the desktop and command prompt and put ping 192.168.1.2. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you for watching.